I'm hoping that you can get a better angle view this time. The other video was upside down. So I'm repeating the video that I titled Full Circle. It's a Barry Harris warm-up exercise. So in Barry Harris world, I was saying that all the chords are sixes. You convert them automatically to. So for example, a C major is a G6. So it's the 6 on the 5th of C. There is a G. So a very easy way to find out the C major. You're gonna play a G6. So it gives you this chord. That's a C major. Now, if you want to go to the C dominant, to go to the next key in the cycle, you can go a half step up. The C is the C sharp diminished. So the C sharp diminished is gonna be the chord that we play, that you can play among other chords over the C for the C dominant. So if I play the C sharp diminished, it gives me a C dominant, C7. So now if I'm playing a C major, I can go directly to C sharp diminished. Now I'm C dominant. Now I go to F, which is C6, F major. Oh, it's a very easy movement. And now the same F dominant, which is the C diminished, this time going to B flat major, playing F6, because F is on the 5th of B flat. And I continue B flat dominant. Now this is a B flat over E flat major, etc., etc. Sometimes if you don't want to go through all the cycle, you can end a half step up where you are. So if I'm in A, I can go a half step, which is E flat, and I can end there. So for E flat, I play the 6 on the 5th, which is going to be E flat major 6. C major,